Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here HCF and LCM revision. First you say me, HCF means what? HCF means what? Highest common factor. And LCM means what? LCM full form means what? Least common multiplies. Yes. Now see, factors and multiplies means what? Factors means what? A factor of number divided by that number exactly. See one example. Factors, one example. First one say me. Factors means what? Factors means a factor of a number divided by that number. 24. 24's factor which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 also. Each of these number divided by 24 exactly. You divided by that 24, this number divided by this number exactly, not there remainder there. Okay, when you divided that one, not one there, remaining is also 0 is there. Okay, every number has 1 is a factor and that number itself also factor. Understand? Now multiplies. A multiple of a number is product obtained when the given numbers is multiplied by any numbers except 0. Means see here, multiples of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 24, 30, 36, etc. Okay. So a number multiply itself. Every number is a 1 multiple. Every number is a multiple of 1 and every number of given number equal to the greater than the number itself. Equal to greater means plus 6 12, plus 6 18, that type. Every number has infinite number of multiplies. Okay. Now all of you learn of divisibility test. Condition of divisibility all of you know now. Now also we read here. Okay. 2 divisible by 2. What is the condition there? See, a number is divisible by 2 if ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Means ones plus have you want that number. 44, 68, 120. They given you example. Divisible by 3. What is the condition there? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of digits is completely divisible by 3. 369, 3 plus 6 plus 9, 18. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Means you do their addition and the addition's answer is you want their divided their 3 and you want their remainder is a 0. That time you write the answer. That number is a condition divisible by 3. Okay. Next one 4. if the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. For example, 672. 72 is a divisible by 4. 72 is coming in the 4 table now. So, that number also divisible by 2. That number also divisible by 2. Now see here one more example. 316. 16. 4 4s are 16. So, this one number also divisible by 4. Understand? Next one. If the digit in the ones place 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. Means last number, ones number you want there 5 or 0, that time that number is divisible by 5. Divisible by 6, what is the condition there? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, the number is divisible by 6. If given number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, that time that number is divisible by 6 also. Okay. Next one, divisible by 7. Take a last digit number of the number, double and subtract it from the rest of digit. Repeat the process for larger number. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. See here one example they show. 357. Double and subtract it from the rest of the digit. 7. Double of 7 is a 14. 14 from the 35 to get 21 each, divisible by 7. Hence 357 is divisible by 7. Understand, student? Double of 7, subtract 14 from the 35. 35 minus 14, you got their answer 21. 21 is in a 7 table? Yes. So, 357 is divisible by 7. Understand? Now, 3934. Double of 4. Double of 4 is 8. 393 minus 8. 385. Now also this is a lengthy number, so double up 5 there. 5 to the 10 and 38 minus 10, 28. 28 is in a 7 table, 7 4s are 28. So 3934 is divisible by 7. Now 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number from the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. See there, last 3 number, ones, tens, hundreds number, that you divided by 8 and their remainder is a 0, that time given number is divisible by 8. Next one, divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit is by 9. Given number plus there and answer is divisible by 9, their remainder is 0, that time given number is also divisible by 9. Divisible by 10, what is the condition is there? If the last number is 0, once have a 0, that time given number is divisible by 10. Divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of alternate digits is a 0 or multiply of 11. Means alternate number means ones, 100 plus there, tens, thousands plus there. Understand? 4 plus 7, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. Difference between two digits, 0. So, this one number is divisible by 11. Now see here, 55,209. Alternate number 0 plus 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16, and 0 plus 5 5. 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. This is a multiple of 11. So given number is a divisible by 11. Divisible by 12. A number is a divisible by 12 if it is a divisible by both 3 and 4. That time given number is a divisible by 12. Given number is a divisible by 12. You first use their divisible by 2 and 3's condition, and that time both are 3 and 4's condition that are divisible by that number. That time 12 also divisible by that number. Okay. Next one, 15. Number is a divisible by 15. It is a divisible by 3 and 5. Means if the given number is a condition, they approve their condition 3 and 5, that time given number also divisible by that by 15. Understand? Now next one, what? Prime factorization. Prime factorization. How to do the prime factorization? There are two methods are there na. First one, repeated division method and building factor. See here, I show you two example. 30 number given you. First one, division number 30. Last number is 0, divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are. Last number is 5, 5 3s are, 3 1s are. Now write there 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Same as it is. How to do? 2 15s are and 3 5s are. Then write there 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. This is, you call that one prime factorization. All are remembered? Okay. Next one, 27. 27, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Same as it is. Building factor, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. And how to write this one? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Understand how to do? Now we learn here HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. I want how to do highest common factor by prime factorization method. This method, we used here. This method we used here. You want here 60, 72 and 80 is HCF. HCF by prime factorization method. First one write 62. 2's condition first one applied. Second time also 2's condition. Third time 3's condition. Fourth time 5's condition. Now 72. Ones have 2, so 2's condition. Understand? Now see here, 80's condition. You solve here 80. 2 4s are 2 5s are 5 1s are. Understand? Now write here 60's. What is a factor is there? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 60 is this one. 72 is which 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 8 is which factor is there? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now you want there first one common factor. You got here common factor. 2 2 2 right there. Next one 2 2 2. 3 3 but last have not a 3. 5 but second have not a 5. So 2 multiplied by 2 is a common factor, and right there HCF is equal to 4. Understand how to do the HCF? Okay. Now 90 and 120 is HCF. How to do? 90. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 5 9s are 45. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. And 120 is also 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 2 15s are 5 3s are 3 1s are. So 90's factor what? 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 120's factor 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. What is a common? 1 2 1 2 1. Right there common factor 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. HCF is equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. You got there HCF? Okay. Now LCM. How to do the LCM? LCM. How to do? List common multiplies. What is a full form? List common multiplies. Now you want their LCM of 20, 30 and 40s. That time what you do? Divide each number by common prime factor. Continue dividing the quotients by least common factor till you get 1 is a quotient. Okay. See here how to do? 20, 30, 40. Now 2 10s are 20, 2 15s are 30, 2 2s are 4. Next one 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 15, 2 10s are. Now also same this one. Now this is a divisible by 2? No. So that time you write that same also. Sorry, here also 15, not divisible by 15. Okay, 15 also same right. And 2 5s are 10. Now you condition is there, 3 is applied. 5 plus 1 3. So 5 write there as it is. 3 5s are 15. 5 write as here. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now LCM of 20, 30, 40 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. LCM, where you use LCM is the product of all prime factorization, all prime factorization. Now see here, LCM of 65 91, 65 91. See, 5 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. 91, 91's condition, which condition applied here? Seventh condition. Seven ones are 7 and here write 91, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are here also 13. Now 13 ones are 13. What is the LCM of 65 and 91 is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13 5s are 65, 65 multiplied by 7, 455, 455. Understand? Okay. Understand now how to do the LCF and LCM? Okay. 2-3 example. HCF you solve. See in your textbook. HCF 2-3 example solve and LCM 2-3 example solve. Okay. And you by hearted there 2 to 20 tables compulsory. Okay. And write there 2 times also. Thank you.